Meaning of gerbil.
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 Gerbil. A gerbil is a small, furry rodent that belongs to the subfamily Gerbillini. They are native to Africa, Asia, and the Middle East and are popular as pets due to their social nature and low maintenance. Gerbils are known for their habit of burrowing and digging, which they use to create complex tunnel systems in the wild. These tunnels provide protection from predators and help regulate their body temperature. Gerbils also have excellent hearing and vision, which they use to detect potential dangers and communicate with their peers through various vocalizations and body language.